Hello guys, today I'm gonna make pickled eggplant. We need about 600 grams of eggplant. We clean them from the green parts. Put them in a boiling water about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we leave them to be cooled. We need 1 piece of tomato, 1 piece of onion, 2 pieces of lemon juice, a lot of garlic, 3 pieces of green pepper. We put them all in the blender. Spices are 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of coriander, a lot of cilantro. Mix them all. We add about 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. We cut the eggplant from the middle like this. Put the mixture in the middle of each piece like this. Some lemon juice on the top. Put them in the refrigerator about 2 hours. Now it's ready to eat. Enjoy!